Hi, so today I'm doing an experiment that we need baking soda, vinegar, and Ziplock bag with a piece of tissue. So this experiment is called baking soda and vinegar with the Ziplock bag. So let's get started. First you get your baking soda and then put it on your tissue paper. Cover it. And make it as a square. And then make sure it does not spill. You get your vinegar, pour it in the Ziplock bag. Not half, but like, this is half probably. And then you put this much. I put one of this cap, so yeah. And now, get your tissue paper that inside is baking soda and cover it, but don't drop it yet. Don't drop the tissue paper yet. Make sure you close it, because if you don't close it, the stuff will come out. And now, after you put the Ziplock bag in, after you put the tissue in, you drop it. So let's see the reaction right now. After that, you shake it. Make sure it does not come anything out. I know it's gonna explode, but sometime it can explode. So it didn't explode, so that's a good thing. Yeah. See, it's big now. Using just baking soda and vinegar. So now I'm shaking it more. Shall I pop it? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm scared. So 13. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this science experiment.